A B O V E
Above. Away. Above. Up, up, and away! The plane is flying above the houses.
F A R
Far. Far. From. Crunchy and Gobble are far away from Munchie.
M I D D L E
Middle. There. Middle. There is an empty seat in the middle.
A C R O S S
Across. Drive. Across. The monsters drive across the bridge to get to the other side.
A R O U N D
Around. Around. World. The chomping monsters drive around the world.
O N T O
Onto. Ready. Onto. The dough is ready. Let's put it onto a tray.
N E A R
Near. Near. Better. Gobble and Gulpy stand near the fire truck to get a better look.
U N D E R.
Under. Under. Tree. The monsters are sleeping under a big tree.
I N T O.
Into. That. Into. Crunchy sees that his friend Munchie walks into the restaurant too.
T O W A R D S.
Towards. Towards. House. Crunchy walks towards Munchie's house.
O U T S I D E.
Outside. Outside. With. Crunchy jumps out. Now he is outside of the box with Munchie.
T H R O U G H.
Through. Going. Through. Gobble and Gulpy are going through a monster scanning machine.